Mojave. Will it work with Screenflow 7.3, Parallels Desktop 13, App Studio for my Cetus 3D printer version 251, and the latest or current version of Autodesk Fusion 360, and I have 204567. Let's find out.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing. Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy. First, I tried out the new OS X screen capture, because I wasn't sure that my Screenflow screen capture application would still work in Mojave. So I just made this screen capture and tested in the same time the Final Cut Pro X import, and yeah, everything seems to work and the screencast works flawlessly. Funny thing, importing the OS X screen captured file into Final Cut Pro gave me this error. It only happened once, and but it was still strange. Now I could use OS X screen capture to capture my trying out of the Screenflow screen capture. And let's see how that goes. Mojave. Let's see if Screenflow still works. So I started the Screenflow here, and I have the OS X screen capture on also. So I'm going to stop this Screenflow screencast and then capture what happens with the OS X screen capture. So here goes. And surprise, it actually does work. Here I export from Screenflow to an MP4 file, and then I import it into Final Cut Pro, and that also works. And yeah, I can't, this short experiment shows no problems, so yeah, Screenflow works in Mojave so far. I couldn't help myself. Here's a screen capture of Final Cut Pro playing out the edit version of the screen capture of the screen capture. So yeah, for all those of you who are like me, like meta humor, enjoy. But now back to the testing. Mojave. Will Fusion 360 still work? Let's find out. I usually don't adapt to a new update from Apple until it's settled, but this time I decided to make a leap of faith and just install Mojave from the beginning. And there are warnings about Fusion 360 maybe not working correctly in Mojave out of the box. So, well, let's hope for the best. So at least it opened. And what should I open? This is my last one, so let's open this one. And so far so good. Let's try the 3D print feature here. This was just a quick test, so yeah, thumbs up. At least Fusion 360 starts and do some basic stuff. So no warnings flag so far, but of course this is not an in-depth test. So yeah, but I'm happy. Mojave. Can I still 3D print to my Cetus 3D printer? So let's try Up Studio or UP Studio. It starts, it finds the printer initialize. And let's see if I can load the model. Yes, I can. I can view it. I can rotate it. And as soon as the printer initializes, I can... that was an error. Okay, so something is not correct here. Seems just that the UP Studio has just forgotten the materials. So going here to maintenance, I can set material type here again to PLA, close, print, print, and hopefully let's see if we can have the Wi-Fi connection working, sending. So far so good. Yes, we got feedback. Yeah, I think everything's okay for 3D printing. Cetus 3D printing seems to work in Mojave. So how will parallels work in Mojave? Let's try my Windows 10 machine here. I'm pushing my MacBook Pro 2014 to the limits here. I have Final Cut Pro X going, I have Screenflow, Screencast going, I have rendering in Screenflow going on, so yeah. Try to break that password if you can, so that you won't get to my machine, and 2, you won't get that password. So what do we have here? Do the graphics look okay? Let's open Word. Yeah, I think everything looks kind of okay. I'm not in Windows so often, but I have it for programming and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I have Parallels 13, so I probably will upgrade soon. But Parallels 13 seems to work so far okay in Mojave. So there you have it. So far so good. Screenflow, Parallels, Cetus 3D Studio and Autodesk Fusion 360. For me at least starts and runs okay this preliminary first test. So yeah, I'm satisfied. Mojave, here we go. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing. Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.